Hi. Welcome by this video. I'm going to I'm going oh my gosh, I need to take a breath. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to listen to space sounds, and then I'm going to the scariest videos captured in space. Okay, are we ready? Center of the Milky Way. It's not that scary.
Do you think our universe is silent?
No.
Well, it's not. In this video, I will show you the most scary sounds from space.
Okay.
This is real footage captured by NASA and other organizations. Here is an example of what you can expect.
A black hole.
Well, that is one example of what we have found in space, but some of these sounds will be even more strange. Let me show you another one.
Earth's magnetic field.
Let's start with the ultimate space monsters, black holes.
Uh-oh.
Despite their reputation for swallowing light, they're anything but quiet. Gas and dust spiraling into black holes create vibrations, and when converted to sound, they produce eerie, low-pitched hums.
I have a little bit
Fun fact,
E in my ear.
Frequencies a million times lower than what the human ear can hear. A true deep space sound. Next, let's explore the cosmic clockmakers, pulsars. These spinning neutron stars emit rhythmic energy pulses.
Why did this look like a black hole? Oh my god, oh my. If you can see here, you can see the sound, how very
pulsars are so precise they rival atomic clocks in their accuracy. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, and you will see sounds that you will not believe. But first, here's another pulsar with a faster beat. PSRB 1937 plus 21. Spinning over 600 times per second, it produces one of the quickest and most...
Wait! Yes. Oh my god. Look at the sound, how hard it is. What is this? Oh no.
Fun fact,
the heart is dead.
PSRB 1937 plus 21 was the first millisecond pulsar ever discovered, and its rapid spin is due to material from a nearby star. Let's turn to something more explosive. Quasars, the engines of the universe. These supermassive black holes power roaring jets of energy. When converted, their sound is like a deep rumble, showcasing the raw power of these celestial giants.
This is what you need to hear in a horror movie.
Did you know that quasars can be brighter than an entire galaxy, emitting incredible amounts of energy from just a tiny region? Now you do. Now a sound closer to home, Earth's magnetosphere. The protective magnetic field around Earth creates dynamic sounds as it interacts with solar wind.
What the?
Fun fact, Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation.
Why do we need to learn the fun facts?
Space. Moving deeper into our galaxy, we hear the center of the Milky Way. Sagittarius A star, our galaxy's central black hole, emits a haunting melody when its radiation is converted to sound.
No. How is this on the scary list?
Here is another fun fact. The Milky Way's center, despite its immense energy, is located over 25,000 light years away. Let's step back in time to hear the Big Bang. The sound of the universe's birth comes from the cosmic microwave background.
Big Bang.
This is a faint, static hiss.
Oh my gosh.
Fun fact, this radiation is about 13.8 billion years old and is one of the oldest signals in the universe. I know for a fact that many of our commenters are curious about how we can capture the sound from the Big Bang. Please stay with me as I explain how this was possible. A long time ago, the universe was a hot, dense place filled with energy and particles. Back then, sound waves could actually travel through space because it wasn't empty yet. It was more like a thick cosmic soup. As the universe expanded, these waves spread out, creating tiny ripples in the cosmic microwave background, shortly called CMB, which is the leftover glow from the Big Bang. Scientists later discovered these ripples and converted them into sound, letting us hear the real echo of the Big Bang billions of years later. So no, space isn't silent. The universe has been making noise since the very beginning. Returning to our solar system, Jupiter's magnetosphere emits powerful electromagnetic waves. These waves, when converted, create eerie whistling and whooshing sounds.
Okay, wait. Okay, I need to say something. If you can put this in a horror film because when a bad guy picks up the phone, this is what you hear. But not the time we're going further.
Another weird thing about this planet is that Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, making it the most powerful in the solar system. I want to pause here for a second to show you 3 other sounds that we have found in space. These 3 sounds are connected because they show the life cycle of stars and the dramatic events in space, from the death of a star in a supernova to the formation of new stars in nebulae and nearby galaxies. Afterwards, we will go on with our journey.
A supernova. It looks like a horse. What is this? This is something you could hear in a video game.
As we continue, we encounter another gas giant, Saturn. It has mesmerizing sounds coming from its iconic rings. When captured, these sounds reveal the interactions of particles and debris in the rings.
Wait, what? This is not friendly.
Fun fact, Saturn's rings are made of billions of ice particles, some as small as grains of sand, others as large as mountains. From rings to storms, lightning on Saturn creates electric, crackling noises. These are among the loudest planetary sounds in the solar system.
This sounds like an ASMR.
Fun fact, Saturn's lightning is up to 10,000 times stronger than what we experience on Earth. Now let's visit Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. It produces unique chirping and whistling sounds due to its magnetic field.
This is like what you can hear if birds are robots.
Ganymede is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field. Another icy moon, Enceladus of Saturn, creates rhythmic sounds from its geysers spewing water into space.
Boom. Oh my god.
Fun fact, Enceladus's subsurface ocean makes it a prime candidate for harboring alien life. Finally, we venture beyond the solar system to interstellar space. The Voyager spacecraft recorded plasma waves as it crossed into this vast expanse, producing a profound humming sound.
Oh no.
And here's your last fun fact. Voyager 1 is humanity's
Right,
first ambassador
last?
to interstellar space, carrying a golden
Yes.
record of Earth's sounds. Each of these sounds tells a story about the mysteries of the universe.
Now we know now what the
Scariest videos captured in space.
Okay. Bruce
In
McCandless.
1984, astronaut Bruce McCandless performed the first untethered spacewalk, meaning he was floating around in space without being connected to anything.
Don't do
In his
it.
spacesuit, he had a new device called the Manned Maneuvering Unit, or what you might know it as, a jetpack.
Oh my gosh.
Bruce McCandless drifted 90 meters, which is
It looks like an
235
NPC.
feet, away from the Space Shuttle Challenger during his historic free-float spacewalk, and the crew snapped this eerie photo of him.
Hey! We should do this for $1 billion. ESS. Something with
Watching
ESS.
astronauts perform spacewalks outside the ISS always gives me a strange feeling.
ESS.
There's something about seeing them float in the endless void of space, tethered by just a thin line, that feels both amazing and unsettling. It's this eerie mix of isolation and vulnerability, so close to Earth, yet surrounded by nothing but the vast emptiness. I'm not sure if I should be amazed or creeped out by these moments. Comment how you feel about these videos.
Challenger explode. Oh no!
The Challenger spacecraft tragically
Oh, no.
exploded just 73 seconds after liftoff in 1986, killing all 7 crew members on board due to a critical failure in one of the rocket boosters.
No!
I know this footage wasn't recorded in space, but I wanted to include it because it remains one of the most haunting moments in space exploration.
Oh
history.
no!
It's a relief that the much-delayed flight was finally underway.
All the people be like, oh my gosh, it's so cool. I want to see this more. All the people on the ground. I love this.
It happened just over 1 minute into flight.
Oh my gosh! Killing all 7! Killing all 7 members? Oh my gosh!
From Mission Control, silence.
Oh my gosh, look!
Then the bland, chilling report.
We have a report from the flight dynamics officer that the vehicle has exploded. Flight director confirms that
Yeah, we can see that it exploded.
recovery forces to see what can be done at this point.
Oh my gosh, I got a heart attack.
The DART mission was NASA's first
Oh,
attempt
this.
to change the motion of an asteroid by deliberately crashing a spacecraft into it. In 2022, DART successfully collided with the asteroid Dimorphos to test whether we could deflect a potentially dangerous asteroid in the future. The footage of DART hitting the asteroid is eerie because in
Didymos.
its final moments, you see the asteroid's surface rapidly zooming closer
Oh, no.
until everything suddenly goes black. It's unsettling to watch the spacecraft's journey end in a collision with an alien world, knowing
Shit.
it was a one-way trip.
It bunk. Dead. Vela Pulsars.
Just watch this video of the Vela Pulsar.
The Vela Pulsar is about 1,000 light years from Earth, spans about 12 miles in diameter, and makes a complete rotation in 89 milliseconds, which is faster than a helicopter rotor. As the pulsar whips around, it spews out a jet of charged particles that race along the
Wait,
pulsar's rotation.
did nobody see?
at about
It
7
looks like
miles
a
per
face. Look, eyes.
which were obtained
In
from
mouth.
August to September
Nose.
2010.
What the fuck does this mean?
Slowly wobbling or precessing as it spins. The first Chandra movie of Vela came out in 2003, but its shorter and unevenly spaced exposures did not provide clear evidence for precession of the pulsar.
Oh my gosh. Dust devils on Mars. Oh no.
Dust devils on Mars are columns of dust and sand that form due to temperature differences between the Martian surface and atmosphere. Similar to dust devils on Earth, they can stretch hundreds of meters high and travel across the Martian landscape, picking up dust as they go. The Curiosity rover has captured multiple videos of different dust devils moving across the Martian surface, and it's both fascinating and eerie to watch.
The pale blue dot. Oh, this. Oh, shit.
The pale blue dot is a famous photograph taken by the Voyager 1
This.
spacecraft in 1990.
This infinite thing
3.7 billion miles, which
It's
is almost
Earth.
6 billion kilometers from Earth.
suspended in a
In this
sunbeam.
image, Earth appears as a tiny, barely visible dot against the vastness of space. Although it's a still image and not a video, I wanted to include it because it captures the humbling reality of our place in the universe. Carl Sagan, who helped inspire the photo, famously remarked on the fragility of our world in the vastness of space. Take a listen.
That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, every saint and sinner in the history of our species lived there, on a mote of dust, suspended in a sunbeam. The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena.
Sunsets on Mars.
Martian sunsets are filled with cold blue hues that cast a haunting glow.
I don't want to
across the
see
barren
this because
landscape.
it's not. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm going to say this, but I hope you liked it.